Hello guys, thanks for viewing. What I'll be showing you guys is Benime, how to get Benime. So is what I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm going to give you guys the what's it called, the link for the downloading of the Benime. So you just need to come to your web browser on your phone, either Chrome or Opera Mini, anyone at all. So you just click OK, and here is the app. So what we just have to do is to download it. So I'm just showing you guys how to download it, so you don't have to pay a dime using Benime. So here is the app Benime. I have it on my phone already, but I guess this is old version. So this is 6.8.6, which I did not pay any dime for it. So I think for you to download this app from Google Play Store, you pay about 5,000 naira, but here you are not going to pay a dime. So this one now is 7.0, so you can get it. Check under the description below, then you see the download the app from there. Thank you guys, and I'll like you guys to subscribe and also comment if there's any other issue you're facing through this from this video while downloading this app, and tell me your view. Let me know. Thank you. Bye.